Sophie and Toffee. Corpse Bride Soap Tutorial. Let's make some beautiful Corpse Bride cameo soaps.
Hey, give me a listen. You corpses of cheer, beastles of you. We still got it.
Our box comes with everything you need for lovely smelling soaps. Put your glycerin sticks into a double boiler to melt them completely. A bowl inside another bowl, pot of boiling water on low heat. You can also microwave your glycerin in 10-second intervals and mix, but a double boiler will give the smoother, better results. The kit comes with both white opaque and clear glycerin, so you can pick different visual effects for your soap. We use both. When the glycerin is fully melted, transfer to smaller containers to mix in colors, scents, and other additives in the box. Bubble agent, 10 milliliters. Almond oil, 10 drops.
Oh yeah, come on boys, pick it up.
Essential oil, to smell strength of your choice. Blue soap pigment, as many as desired. Purple soap pigment, as many as desired. Mix thoroughly, not letting any solidify. The clear glycerin has a transparent effect. The white is opaque. Pour it into your molds. We pour both for a marble effect.
And then, baby, everything went black. Now when she opened her eyes, she was dead as dust. Jewels were missing and her heart was bust. So she made a vow lying under that tree that she'd wait for her true love to come set her free. Always waiting for someone to ask for her hand. But out of the blue comes this groovy young man who vows forever.
Pour any extra into smaller molds for single-use soaps. When fully set, demold. The soap should pop right out. Yes.
What does that wispy little brat have that you don't have, though?
She can't hold a candle to the beauty of your smile.
How about a pulse?
Overrated by a mile.
Overvalued.
Overblown.
If we only knew the you that we know. And that silly little creature isn't wearing his ring.
And she doesn't play
The soap picks up so many details. Use your molds again and again.
But she still breathes air.
Who cares?
Unimportant.
Overrated.
Overblown. If only he could see how special you can be.
If we only knew the you that we know. cut me with